Okay, hi. So this video is going to help you get through questions 1 through 5. Just waiting for the screen to load. Okay, cool. So this video is going to talk about slope orientation. Right, so slope is rise over run. You might remember this from previous years. So if you look, rise just implies like how much you're going in the up-down direction, and run, how much you're going left to right, right? So in this example that you see on the bottom left, right, you would rise 2, run 3, making your slope 2/3. If you look at this one on the right, you can see that we rise 2 units. We rise 2 units, okay, and we run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. Therefore, your slope for this graph here would be 2/7. We're going to talk about that a little more in a minute. Pause. So for this video, the first 5 questions, we're just going to be talking about slope orientation, right? So in the last 2 examples, we went up and we went to the right. Those are both positive numbers, right? So our slope, it's important to make predictions. If it's going up from left to right, that is a positive slope, right? If you're looking at your stocks go up, you like that. That's positive. However, something like this downhill orientation, if it's going down from left to right, that would be a negative slope. So if it's falling down, make the prediction, you should have a negative slope, right? Because you're going down and to the right, downhill. Now, when you have this, when it's horizontal, you have a slope of 0, right? Because what would be your rise? Well, there is no rise. So it doesn't matter what your run is. Your rise is 0. Nothing's happening, right? So think about like ski slopes. If I told you I went skiing and there were no slopes, you would picture flat land. Vertical, when it's up, down like this, that slope is undefined, right? Like falling off a cliff. Oh my gosh, the world fell apart, falling down, undefined. We're going to talk about that more in the next video. Right, so you look at this one, it's going up and down from left to right. So right away you could say, okay, positive slope. Next, okay, this one is falling straight down. World fell apart. You fell off the cliff. That is undefined. So what about this one? Up and down, going up. That's positive. No slope, 0. The slope of this line is 0. Oops, and that is the end of that. So you're just making predictions for the first 5 questions.